If Slack is giving you trouble today, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through a few quick fixes that solve most common Slack issues in just a few minutes. Whether Slack is not loading, messages are stuck, pages are frozen, or the app is just acting strangely, these steps can help you get back on track fast. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides just like this. Now let's jump in. The first thing to do is refresh the page. Sometimes Slack just needs a simple reload to clear a temporary glitch or connection hiccup. If you're using Slack in your browser, click refresh and give it a moment to reload fully. If you're using the desktop app, close it and reopen it to see if the problem disappears. If Slack is still not working, the next thing to check is your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection is one of the most common reasons Slack problems happen. Open your browser and search for a speed test, then run a quick test to see if your connection is stable. If the internet seems slow, that could be the reason Slack is lagging or failing to load properly. If your speed looks fine, but Slack is still having issues, switch your network. For example, if you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to a mobile hotspot. If you're on a hotspot, try moving back to Wi-Fi. This helps you figure out whether the issue is with your current network rather than Slack itself. A simple network change can often get everything working again right away. Another important step is to disable any VPN or proxy you might be using. VPNs and proxies can sometimes interfere with Slack connections, especially if they're routing traffic in a way that Slack doesn't like. Turn off your VPN, disable any proxy settings, and then try opening Slack again. In many cases, that alone fixes the problem. If Slack still isn't responding correctly, the next step is to clear your browser cache. If you're using Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, then open Privacy and Security, and select Clear Browsing Data. Clear the cached files and try loading Slack again. Old or corrupted cache data can cause login issues, display problems, and loading errors, so this is a very effective fix. Once you've cleared the cache, refresh Slack again and check whether everything is working normally. In a lot of cases, one of these steps will solve the issue, especially if the problem was caused by a browser glitch, bad connection, or a conflicting network setup. So just to recap, the main fixes are refresh the page, check your internet speed, switch networks, disable VPN or proxy, and clear your browser cache. These are the fastest and safest troubleshooting steps to try when Slack is not working properly. If this video helped you fix the problem, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss more simple tech fixes and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.